Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can connect KuCoin with Google Authenticator. In order to connect KuCoin with Google Authenticator, first of all, you need to install Google Authenticator on your device, and then you need to go ahead and log in into your KuCoin account. And after you're done installing your Google Authenticator, then you could go ahead and log in into your KuCoin account and then go to your profile page, and here you could go ahead and select account security. As you've done that, you could go ahead and select Google verification, or you could also select Google Authenticator right on this page. And when you actually select that, you'll be provided with a QR code which you have to scan it, and as soon as you are done scanning it, you'll be able to reveal a code which you have to enter that, and with that you've successfully connected KuCoin with Google Authenticator. And at the same time, you may also input the email address linked to your KuCoin account and the secret key recorded. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.